Usisi uthi uyabona-ke sesandile engakubona that day angicabangi ukuthi kwakufanele ngikubone, angazi ukuthi ngaphunyuka kanjani, kodwa here I am ngaphunyuka, ngiyaphila ngomusa kaNkulunkulu.
Hello, sanibonani, dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. Yeah. Yeah. Sanibonani. Nginey'ndaba ezimnandi. If uhlala eThekwini namaphethelo, nginethuba eliyingqayizivele for wena, and leli thuba leli lizovuleleka firstly for ama-channel memberships. For abantu abathathe ama-channel memberships. Ngizolisho uma kuhamba kwesikhathi, kodwa uzoba nethuba lokuthi uhlangane kanye nami and other content creators okuwabone ku-TikTok, but more especially laba abenza ukudla. So you'll have an opportunity ukuthi udle into abazobe beyi-creatile for that particular day, and that will be more of our year-end closing. And in that note, please don't forget to go and like Cooking with Z, ilink yakhona ikhona la on my bio, and don't forget we live nje on 4 pillars only. You like, you comment, you subscribe, you share, and on top of that, don't forget ukuthi ungasipha phela nama super thanks. And if you are not yet a channel member, angazi ukuthi ulindele, cause content iyangena ngale kuma channel members and exclusive, iyashesha, ihot. Lalela angibhalele usisi athi wesisandile, mina ngicela nje ukuthi yazi kuhlezi kuthiwa thina bosisi abahamba ngezimoto asishelwa, kodwa ke manje beze nenye ngoba mina engihlangabezane nayo hayi ingidide kokuqala kokugcina. Ususisimi ngimile filling station ngizofaka upetrol, and nje inyanga izitshekela iyazibhedela, kodwa ke nje mangiqeda ukumisa imoto, ngimisa imoto, ipetrol athi mangifika, uthi kokuqala mangifika egarage there was another car kwenye ibhawuza. So bese ke mina ngiyoma kwenye ibhawuza omakhelwane, kusho ukuthi izimoto zethu nale moto on the other side zimelene zihlalelene kanje sezowomakhelwane. So that means ukuthi bonke abantu abangale kwenye imoto bonke abantu abangale kwenye imoto nabale imoto yami bayabonana. So siyabonana ngoba vele ngihlisa iwindi ngilinde ukuthi petrol attendant izongi-attenda bese ngiyayitshela ukuthi ngifunani. Uthi hayi ke ngiyababona labo bhuti abangapha kula moto, angibanakile, ngizidlalela umusic and udlala loud, nami ngiyacula ngiyayiphaphela. It's a Friday afternoon, ngizifakela petrol nje ukuthi nje ngiyozibhorekela endlini because there isn't much engiplan ukuyenza on that particular day, because it's a Friday evening nje ebhorayo, anginamali, inyanga izimela ukuthanda kwayo. Uthi okay fine ke ngiyababona labo bhuti baloke besmile bebuka ngakule moto njengoba ngakule moto yami, ngoba mina ngizitshela ukuthi mhlambe bachaza ukuthi ngiyaphapha, ngiyacula, ngidlala music ke mhlambe ngingana ukuthi why bengibuka kwenze njani. Excuse my voice, I'm recovering from flu. Okay fine. Uthi ke izifike ki-petrol attendant, mayifika i-petrol attendant bese yangibuza bese yangibingelela as usual, bese ngiyamtshela mayi ngicela ungifakele u200 rand. Ngalesikhathi sangifakela u200 rand ngicisha imoto, ngehle ngiyahamba ngiyaqhubeka nale culo kade lidlala emotweni yami, sengicishile imoto kodwa ngiyaqhubeka ngiyacula, ngiyongena egarage, isitolo sasegarage, mangingena khona ngifike ngibuye namanzi ngithenge nesinkwa ke. Waphela ngiyimpohlokazi vele ke, so kufanele ngibone ukuthi isinkwa singena kanjani endlini. Uthi mangibuya from ukungena esitolo sasegarage, ayibo imhlolo yami mangithi ngiyabuka umfana usaqhubeka uyetha, and ngimtshele kahle umfana ukuthi akafake u250, and njengoba ngithe akafake u250, lo 250 vele enginawo engaziyo ukuthi hey uthi hayibo mangithi ngisiphakamisa amehlo umfana uyaqhubeka uyetha yaginya imoto uyangena upetrol ngithi mina hayibo mfana ngicela ukubuza ukuthi njengoba uqhubeka nje uphophorozisa upetrol nje mina ungizwile yini ukuthi ngithe faka u250 wena, njengoba imoto manje seyigijima ko400 ko500 uyaqhubeka uyafaka wena uyagcwalisa, uthi unyobani ukuthi ugcwalise. Uthi athi umfana hhayi khululeka sesister, ubhuti my brother lo okule moto okule moto okule Bowser number ayisho ngenama athi okule Bowser number bani, uthe ubuzile ukuthi njengoba wetha ngamalini. Ngase ngiyamtshela ukuthi wena uthe wetha ngo-R200 and then wase yacela ukuthi ucela ukuthi ngiyigcwalise imoto yakho. Uthi and sisandile imoto yami iyawudla uphethroli, ithangi layo likhulu impela nje. Ngicela ukungasho ukuthi imotoni kodwa nje ithangi layo likhulu impela kangangokuthi mina eyami imoto igcwala ngo-1.3. Uthi afake umfana. Uthi ngiyambona lo bhuti, khona omunye umane elokhu engismayilela. Uthi ngithe mengabe sengiqedile ukulokhunjisa umfana ngisalwa kanjalo, kuvele kwehle omunye but lo owehlayo wehla on the other side. Aze kumina azothi hhayi no khululeka, ubhosi uthe asikufakele, ubhosi uyena o-instruct-e u-petrol attendant ukuthi akakufakele uphethroli ugcwale. Okay, fine. Ngithi mina uphi yena lo bhosi wakho ongiphaphelayo, utshela yimina ukuthi akafake ukuthi ngiyathetha kubuke mina nala egaraji abantu bonke sebethe ngqa amehlo bayabuka ukuthi kwenzakalani. Uthi hhayi-ke eventually-ke ubhosi ehle-ke eze kumina afike azoxolisa abingelele, azi-introduce bese eyaxolisa ukuthi ngifakele uphethroli without ukuthi yena, without my knowledge, kodwa uyena ucelile ukucela bangiphakele i-full tank. Uthi hhayi nangempela kubhosi-ke umfana aqeda ukufaka uphethroli, a-check-e izinto engithi akazi-check-a, a-check-e amafutha. Uthi futhi sekusho yena lo ozi-introduce-ile ukuthi hhayi athi awumcheck-ele amafutha right, ukuthi ku-right. Uthi hhayi a-check umfana enze ukuthi hhayi amafutha right, everything ishaphe grand. Uthi azi-introduce-ke ubhuti-ke abeseshiya i-business card. Ubhuti kuthiwa ubhuti u-cute, ubhuti is a Nigerian. Ilama Nigerian lawa uyabazi-ke mos ukuthi bahle obhuti laba, bahle. Uthi nje ilawa angamunwe ngebala yabo, futhi anesingisi esi-polished esingajampisi ukuthi ukhuluma i-pidgin English, but uma usumlalela upay attention uyamuzwa ukuthi hhayi uwumhlobo. Uthi hhayi kuyashiya i-business card-ke, athi ucela ukuthi ngimbhaze or ngimthekste, nginawo yini amadatha. Mina anginamathatha, angeke ngikubhaze ngikuthekste, uzongisukela e-petrol station uzongifakela uphethroli engingawucelile, anginamathatha. Uthi ngithe ngisabheka ukuthi ngithi anginamathatha, awu wabebuza ukuthi usebenzisa yiphi inethiwekhi. Uthi ngasho nje futhi ngokukhulu ukungana, uthi ngithe ngisathi kwangena ilekhunjani i-airtime ka-R300 convert, athi ubhuti convert that airtime into a data and send me a WhatsApp message now so that I can get your number now, because kunokwenzeka ukuthi wena ungangifoneli. Uthi ngithi mina yebo uyaqala ukungibona awungazi, ungifakela uphethroli awungazi, and then the next thing ufuna inamba yami mangabe ngikutshela ukuthi anginamathatha ungifakela i-airtime, and then mawusuka futhi lapho wena futhi awungithembi. Hhayi cha, unama-issues webhuti wabantu. Okay fine-ke. Uthi hhayi ngikhonvekthe-ke bese ngiyamsendela-ke i-WhatsApp message, ayithole i-message abonge ahambe. Uthi hhayi mangisuka nje mangifika-ke endlini-ke kungapheli ngisho i-hour-ke ubhuti angithekste-ke uhambe kahle yini, hello gorgeous, uhambe kahle yini, bla 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 bla. Uthi hhayi-ke we started from there doing petty talks. Uthi hhayi silokho siyakhuluma-ke kancane siyakhuluma kancane siyakhuluma. Vele ngisingili ngiyabhora nje, ngiziphilela impilo ebhorayo eGoli, ngize ngokusebenza. I don't know a lot of people hambe futhi nakaningi. Hhayi-ke uthi kodwa kuqale lapho-ke siphume ubhuti on your day one, sangikhiphe sihambe siye-Rosebank in a very nice fine dining restaurant. Sifike sizikhiphe ngishawe umoya and everything. Uma siqeda lapho ubhuti nje avela ngithi va ngo-5K we-e-wallet. Athi uzithengele into enhle oyithandayo because ngikubone for isikhathi esincane, I've got another business meeting engiphuthuma kuyona. I would have taken you for shopping ukuba benginesikhathi. Hhayi, uthi hhayi ngithuke ngithi hayi bo, lo muntu uzongipha imali it's just a date, the other day ungifakele uphethroli. Uthi hhayi aqhubeke lama meetups wethu, aqhubeke mhlampe kuze kube inyanga yesithathu. Uthi enyangeni yesithathu-ke manje sekuwukuthi vele sekunomjolo phakathi, ngoba vele ngidla imali yakhe lo muntu, sekunomjolo phakathi, ngidla imali yakhe lo muntu, kodwa eyomdavazo akazayikhulume. The only thing eyenzakalayo nje mangabe sihlangene for lama dates wethu nama-meetups wethu, uyangihaga ngicabuze mncwa and everything, nothing else, akudluli lapho. Okay fine. Uthi hhayi enyangeni yesithathu-ke manje aqale akhulume ngefamily yakhe, abe nje umuntu ofuna ngi-understand everything about i-life yakhe. Aqale akhulume ngefamily yakhe, akhulume ngobaba wakhe. Uthi nini ukhuluma ngobaba wakhe, nini ukhuluma ngobaba wakhe, and lo baba wakhe ngize ngibuze ukuthi hey, you are very close with your father, you love your father, eh? Athi yes, it's the only family member engihlala nawo la eGoli okwamanje. and I would like you to meet ubaba wami, because mina nje I'm a traditionalist. Every relationship that I do, if ngibone umuntu wesifazane ngamthanda and ngiyabona ukuthi there is a possible future kulo relationship, I make sure ukuthi I introduce that woman to my father first before I can even be intimate with you. Uthi hayi ngizoke ngizwe ukuthi nangaleyo langa futhi hayi usuku labo liphele ngokuthi hayi mncwa, hug, bye bye. And uthi lapho ngiyezwa ukuthi noBhontshisi usufuna nokungilahla, ngoba uyawazi uBhontshisi uthi papa uthi ufuna nokungilahla because ngicela ukukutshela sisandile ukuthi ama-perfume ama-cologne alo bhuti, amantontoni alo bhuti, lo bhuti unuka kamnandi every day and unuka i-perfume ehlukile each and every time ngihlangana naye. And indlela anuka kamnandi ngakhona, unuka i-perfume yabantu besilisa. Have you ever smelled an expensive perfume ungayazi, wazi ukuthi yabona-ke le it's a very, very exclusive collection? Angiyazi, angilazi negama. Uthi ngelinye ilanga ngaze ngazidela ngambuza ukuthi hayibo, ama-perfume wakho, I am so in love with your perfumes. Athi uyafuna? Avele asho igama lendawo, uthi they mix up for me. I've got a special collection. Angazi isitolo esenza ama-perfume esifike sikumixele, sikuhlanganisele kanjani according to your taste. So ama-perfume wakhe mesho are exclusively made, and he wears i-perfume according to i-occasion. Kukhona into enjalo emhlabeni, umuntu ayomixela i-perfume nje ibe exclusive for yena, and then i-perfume yakhona ifakwa uthi hayi, ngithi ngizoke ngibona ukuthi hayi, athi hayi khululeka, I will take you there when we have nje the whole time, it's a weekend, we'll just go there because you really need to know what you're looking for, because they've got quite a nice beautiful range. And once you know what you're looking for, i-perfume yakho ke they prepare it. It takes about 7 to 14 working days depending ukuthi usuke ukhethe ama-smells nama-taste anjani aodwa kephi kodwa nje ama-French perfumes, exclusive French perfumes.